welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a hair spa at home video. So it's a very easy way to do it, and for that you require only some very few products. So these are the things that you need. This is a hair spa cream, and you can get any other hair mask from Wella, Matrix or Swarovski or any other brand. The one that you have at home, you do not necessarily need to buy this. So I have this one, so I'll be using this. It's a white colored cream, just like a conditioner but better than a conditioner. You can also use it as a conditioner whenever you take a bath. The next thing that you require is a hair serum oil. So I have used this Mythic oil. Apart from this, you can also use Matrix BioAge, which is a cheaper one. This will cost you around 800 to 900 rupees. However, this will cost you only 275 rupees. This one is around 600 rupees. Other than these products, the only thing that you require is a bowl, a spoon, and maybe a shower cap, which is available in the market very easily. Otherwise, if you don't have this, you can just use a normal plastic and wrap it around your head. The first step is that you have to shampoo your hair. You can use any kind of hair shampoo, but please do not condition it because you are going to do a hair spa, so you don't need any conditioner with the shampoo. On wet hair, you'll have to apply the hair mask. So right now I have semi-wet hair because I was shooting this intro. However, I have to re-wet my hair and then apply the hair mask. Usually I do my hair spa at home myself, so it's not a very tough technique that you have to take the help of somebody else. But today I requested somebody to help me out on this. So today I have a very special guest, and here comes the person. Hi guys! So she's my sister, and she is a hairstylist and a hair instructor as well. So I could not have found a better person to help me out on this. So let's get started. Okay.
Take around 3 spoons of the hair spa cream. My sister uses only 3 spoons because she is a professional and therefore she uses very judiciously. I generally take 4 to 5 spoons. Then to put in 2 pumps of the hair serum, which is completely optional. If you don't have it, just use the hair mask and mix it all together. Then divide your hair into smaller sections like the way it's been done in the video. And then take the hair mask on your palm and then start brushing it with your fingers. Repeat these steps until all of the hair is covered with the hair mask. You can also apply the hair mask separately like this to make it even, and then brush it in your fingers the way it's being done. So the technique is quite simple, as you can see it. You just need to take a chunk of the cream on your hands or your fingers and then brush it repetitively. Do it like this, or just take a chunk on the top and then brush it down. So one side is finally over. Hi! So we have finally applied it all over. Now I'll just tie it into a neat bun and use a shower cap. You can use a shower cap or any plastic bag or polythene bag that's available in the market, just to lock in the moisture, and keep it for 30 to 45 minutes. Since we don't have this spa steamer that's generally available in salons, we can create this hot steam effect at home using a hot towel. For this, you just need to do the following steps. Take a towel, roll it up like the way it's being done, roll it again halfway through, and it should look something like this. The next step is to soak it in hot water. I'm using warm water here because it was quite hot in Delhi. So generally in winters I use hot water. Now this is completely optional. You can skip this step, but I really like to do it. I feel like it makes my hair more moisturized, so I usually do this step as well. You can just keep it in your shower cap for the next 1 hour and that's it. But I'd like to do this, yes.
Finally rinsed my hair. I kept it for half an hour. You can keep it from half an hour to 1 hour, and you have to rinse it very properly. Use a lot of water. The best thing to do is to stand under a shower and rinse it completely. There should not be any residue of the mask. Or in a very Indian style, if you don't have a very good shower, then what you can do is you can sit under the tap. I sit under the tap and then I rinse my hair properly. It's the best technique to remove all the hair mask, because you have to remove all the hair mask. And then you have to let it dry naturally. Do not blow dry it until unless you have to go somewhere urgent, then you can, but try not to blow dry it because then it will lose its moisture, so we don't want to do that. So keep it like this, let it dry naturally, and then maybe after it dries naturally you can blow dry it. And if you're blow drying your hair, always use a good serum and protect your hair from the heat. So I'll let it dry naturally and then I will blow dry it and I'll show you the end result. Right now it looks like this. So it's like clearly very soft and silky right now. This hair spa treatment is really good for people who have colored hair like me. If you have seen it, I have a chunk of colored hair here which is like quite dead. So it's very good for people like me, or for people who are into a lot of styling, who use a lot of heat. Like if you do a lot of pressing or curling, then it's really good for you. This is also good for people who have really frizzy and dry hair. I'll show you my hair after I blow dry it. So see you after some time. Hi, so I'm back. So I finally blow dried my hair and it looks something like this. It's very silky, smooth, straight and light. So the texture is very nice now. I feel like my hair is more rejuvenated. The colored portion, I feel like it's not dead anymore. So if you can see it, earlier it was very frizzy. Now it's like quite moisturized and I really love it. I hope that this video was informative and that you'll do it at home too. Just try it once and see how do you like it, and do let me know if you do it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.